Today on Action RC, I bring to you Mr. Dan Carlson from Clovis RC. Yes, Fresno guys are here representing with us here in Visalia. Tell us about this is the Banana Hobby?
This is a Banana Hobby F-15. It's actually a really wonderful flying model for being so small. I'm actually very impressed with it. Very good looking graphics, and it's running a 4S battery.
I'm a lover of the F-15, and I actually have the Arrows Twin 64, which I love. Paint job, of course, camouflage, that's what it all is. But this one, I'm really impressed with how well it flew.
It is a very smooth flying model, capable of doing just about any maneuver you would want to do, even though it is not equipped with a rudder. And it really does just about everything you could possibly imagine, even without having the rudder. But the only thing you can't really do is the knife edge. Tell
us about your transmitter and receiver you're running in here.
The radio is a DX18, and I've added a few orange little bling pieces to it. And inside for the receiver on this is actually just a simple Lemon 6-channel inexpensive receiver.
Now, you were telling me about these new batteries. Tell us what size batteries you're running and tell me how well they're working out for you.
Okay, so the battery is a 4S, and I have chosen to buy what they call a graphene battery. And the graphene battery just seems to have a much better power over a longer span of the flight, where the other general LiPo batteries, because it is still a LiPo battery, they taper off during the flight. So at the end of the flight, you don't have the power that you need when you're flying a jet to really get it home. And so I have been flying now the jets for several years, and this is really the first small jet I've flown, and having a good quality battery makes all the difference in the world for control of the aircraft. But other than that,
it's safe and it's back.
Oh yeah, not even hardly a scratch on it. It's very durable, and I really will say that highly portable, very easy to get in and out of a car. That much I really like, and I really like that this little jet flies just like one of my larger turbine powered. They are very, very similar. There's a lot of comparing them.
Well, thanks for being on Action RC.
Thank you, Russ.
And here comes the video.
So we'll go for a cross out, and we'll just do a nice big loop with her. Power backing off, heavy elevator, coming around back to full power. And coming right down the runway. Powering up. Half roll. So we're back on the picture of the runway. Throttling back up. Coming back around. Might need to straighten out that front nose wheel just a little bit. She's a little squirrely on the runway. All right.